there, and today... Wait, what is this video again? Hello there, and today I'm going to turn into a celebrity. So if you want to see how I turned into this, then keep watching. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is wash my face. Now that my face is all red, I'm going to use some cream for my face because my skin is so dry. Now that I'm done putting lotion on my face, I'm going to be putting foundation. Now I'm going to be putting some concealer under my eyes because I have these lines. Now I'm going to be putting some clear powder all over my face. Why is my eye burning? Now, time to add shadows to your face. I just got this new palette thing. Whoa. So I'm going to be adding one of these browns to like put shadows. I accidentally made this too dark, so I'm just gonna put more clear powder over top. Haha, and that's how you erase it. Now I'm going to be adding some blush. Now a little bit of highlighter on the cheeks, also on the nose. Now, time for the eyeshadow. I have another palette thing right here, and I'm going to be using this white. So first I'm going to be putting some white like all around. It's all on my eyelashes. I'm going to be using a little bit of this pink color. Now for the scary part, I'm going to be using first a light brown. And then I'm going to be taking a darker brown and then putting it starting even further away. And then just kind of make a line like that. So now I'm going to use this kind of like dark blue, kind of black color. Time to dye. I hate this so much. Warning, so I'm so bad and it looks so ugly. I did this and it's not even blended. Now it's just all black. Oh, I hate this. I can't do this. This is so hard. Why does it look so uneven? It's not. You're so stupid. I can't do this. Ooh. Now I'm going to be putting a highlighter under my eyebrows on the bone. That did nothing. This is stupid. Now I'm gonna be using some powder to kind of clean the edges that I went too far around. It just turned green. My eyes hurt. After I'm done my so bad eyelashes, what's it called? Eyelids. Eyeshadow. I'm going to be putting stupid... What just happened? This is so stupid. After I'm done my so bad eyebrows, eyelashes, eyelids, whatever it's called, this is so not blended. Should I even put eyeliner? Whatever, let's try. My skin keeps wrinkling. It's not straight. Don't know how I did that, but let's try the other side. No! I'm not fixing that. I don't care. I'm done. Now for the eyelashes. I'm actually going to be adding a little... Why did this just crack? I'm actually going to be adding a little more white here. I would add a shiny one, but I don't want that stupid glitter things in my eye, so I'm not going to put that. I just want to kind of fix this because it's like not dark enough, so I'm just going to fix this. And I actually forgot what I'm going to put... Why do I look so weird? I never put this makeup on me before and I look different. I never saw me like this before. Okay, I'm going to be putting a little bit of black under too. I don't know how, but I made it look better. So it looks like this right now. I'm just going to blend it a little more. Yeah, I think I'm done. Now I'm going to be... I look so weird, what the heck? And now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I'm not gonna... No, I hate doing this. I can't do that thing where it like fades. I don't even know how, and I'm not even gonna do it. So I'm just gonna like put a little in the middle like this to make it a little darker. Now, the lipstick. I'm going to be using a red color. Okay, let's start. Why was I gonna put the nail polish color on again? Okay, so I actually used this color, a matte color. That took forever. So now I'm going to be using a light red and putting it in the middle to kind of make it shiny. My lips are so sticky, watch. Ew. Okay, I think you are done. Now, time to put, the clothes on. Why is this video 1 hour? I just remembered I didn't even show you at the beginning of the video what I was gonna do. I mean, what I was gonna wear. So I'm gonna wear this blouse thing, this coat. Are you dumb? Why do you always have to fall? And this coat. This coat is what made the whole idea for this video. Maybe some white gloves and also a belt for the coat. This hair or this hair. And maybe a hat, but I don't think I'm gonna wear this hat. Okay, yeah, time to put the clothes on and... Whoa! And then the coat. Whoa! And then I'm going to be putting this belt on. This belt right here. First, I'm going to be putting on this wig to see what it looks like. What is this? I kind of look like the Winona Ryder girl. Wait, who do I look like? What is that? I kind of look like the Cruella. How the heck do you say that person? With like, I don't know, the eyes from far away, look. Oh yeah, and I didn't say also I'm wearing leather pants. You can't see. Wait, I'll turn it this way again so you can see everything. Look at my pants. Oh wait, I also have these shoes. Look. Oh, they're high heels. I hate high heels. I just got so higher. These are so... Ow, these are so small. I can't move my feet. Why can't I breathe? This is what I look like. I can't breathe. Oh! I forgot a lot of things. Okay, I'm done putting all of jewelry on. So first we have... Wait, so first we have these earrings. They're kind of blending in. They're like cheetah. And then we have... Oh, don't look at my hand yet. Then we have this necklace. And then for the hand... And then this one. These are just random rings I found in my cupboard thing. And then some bracelets. And then another bracelet that I made like a couple days ago with like this thick chain. I also have another one, but I didn't want to put that on because you have to tie it. Yeah. Let's zoom out to see what it looks like. Uh-oh, it's falling. Don't. Do not. The skeleton picture. Okay, this is what it looks like all together. I'll try that other hair after I'm talking. This part. Huh? I'll try the other hair after, but this is what it looks like. I don't know what this video is. Oh, I stepped on a bracelet. Okay, look. This is what it looks like all together. Yeah. Now I'm gonna try the other way to see what it looks like. Why do people look like this every day? Why was it videotaping the whole time? This is what it looked like with the other wig. Say in the comments which one you like more. Why do it look like I'm 30? Okay, this is what it looks like all together. Look. I don't know what this video was. I was just bored and I just want to see what I look like with like makeup and like this jacket. I don't know why. So I thought of just making like a video about it. Looks like kind of boring, whatever. Oh, I'm falling. I just remembered I forgot to put on the glasses. I have these like, look, these weird like leopard glasses. Let's see what it looks like. What the heck? Yeah, I guess that was it for this weird random video. Yeah. Bye! My hand. What is this?